Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter 10, that is measurement. Students, measurement is an important part of our life. We need to measure different things in our life. So for example, when you go to a market to buy some vegetables, vegetables are also given us with measurement. We need to measure the length of a cloth before cutting into clothes. How hot is it? That is hot. Students, how we can check the temperature of our body? With the help of the thermometer. Thermometer is used to check the temperature of our body. Clinical thermometer are used by the doctors to check the thermometer. The normal temperature of our body is 37 degree Celsius and the temperature is always measured in degree Celsius. Next is scientists, students also use the thermometer to study the weather. They are using two special type of thermometers. One is the minimum and maximum thermometers. Next is how long does it take? Students, we see the time in the clock like this. Students, the clocks that we hang on the wall are called the analog watches. This is the example of the analog watch. In some analog watch, minute hand, hour and second hand, all the three pins are here. But in the some watches, only minute and hour hands are there. Next one, students, wrist watches that we can wear on our wrist. The example of the wrist watches is this. Next one is the stopwatches. Students, stopwatches we can use to perform the experiment, because during the experiment when we want to stop the time, then we can use the stopwatch to stop the time. Next one is the digital watches. Students, in our phone, the front screen, the time is given in this form, 1:45. That is in the digital form. The example of the digital watch is this, 12:38. These types of watches are called digital watches. Students, 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds and 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and 1 day is equals to 24 hours. Next, students, how big is it? How we can measure the things that the thing is big or small? By using the ruler or by using the measuring tape. Students, in the scale, the reading is given is centimeter and each centimeter, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. Students, in between there are 10 lines that represents the millimeter and the longer line, that is 1, 2, 3, these represent the centimeter. Students, a salesman in a cloth shop uses the steel rod and after that cut the cloth. You have seen that in a shop, salesman measure the length of the cloth with the steel rod and after that cut the cloth. Students, these types of measurement tapes are used by the tailor to measure the chest or trousers. The distance between the two places, the distance between the two places is measured in kilometer. For example, if you want to measure the distance from home to school, you can always measure in kilometers. 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Next, students, how heavy is it? How can we measure the heaviness in grams or kilograms? 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. You can also using the beam balance to measure the weight. You can how can we measure the weight of our body? By using the weighing machine. How much is it? The amount of liquid that hold a container is called. For example, how much water this glass contains, this is called the capacity of the glass. Liquid are measured in liters. We can buy many liquids by liters. For example, if your mother tells you that buy some milk, How can you buy? You can buy it in kilograms or grams? No, you can buy in liters or half liters. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. And students, now your homework is solve the book exercise and write the new words on your notebooks. Thank you.